Okay, so Tanvir shared the screen. What about Uthira? Uthira also shared the screen. Okay, great. Uh, Mili, you can also share your screen. Rutvij,
Yes, sir, I am logged with the mobile and I have the laptop right now.
okay, okay, great. So yesterday you tried, right? No doubts.
No doubt, sir, I tried it.
Okay. See, today we are going to see very important feature. Okay, that will be useful while performing the two-dimensional simulations. Okay, so we'll see that today. Okay. So yesterday we have seen about the pattern feature. Okay, and okay, today first we will see how we can import the geometry from the other software. Okay, first we'll see how we can export and how we can import in the ANSYS. Okay, so you can use any software like SolidWorks, Creo, right? There are 3D modeling softwares are there. I have a KTA software, so I'm using that. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am just creating some simple part. Okay, okay, I created this part. Okay, in your case you can make any geometry. Okay, so for example I just made some part. Okay, now this same part I want in the ANSYS software, in the design modeler. Okay, so what we need to do? So see, whatever software you are using, while saving you need to click on save as. And see, when you save, during that time they will ask for save as type. Okay, so during that time you can select, there are multiple options. You can see the STL, right? Everyone can see the STL option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dot STL, dot IGS, and dot STP. Okay, these three formats, if you save this geometry with these three formats, okay, any one format, you will be able to open the same geometry in the ANSYS software. Okay, so I'm just saving as the IGS. Okay, dot IGS at desktop. Okay, sample. Okay, I just saved. Now I will go in the ANSYS and I just right click on this geometry, and there is one option, import geometry. Okay, we exported from the KTA software. Now I will import in this design modeler. Okay, so just click on the import geometry and click on this browse. Okay, and I will go in the desktop. I saved this file, right? Part 1 sample IGS, you can see. So just select here, click on open. Okay, and you can see green tick is showing here. Okay, means something is uploaded. Okay, means we'll check that. Right click here and edit geometry in design modeler. Okay, it's processing. You can see here left side bottom. See, now here you can see one import one option. Okay, and you can see the generate symbol is showing. Okay, so we just need to click on the import one and click on the generate button. Okay, now everyone are able to see the same geometry which we created in this software. Plane is different. Okay, but everyone got it how you can import the geometry in this software?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Farooq, Bismillah Khan, Mili, Uthira?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, okay, okay. So any software, okay, like Katia, SolidWorks, in that save as option is available. In that you can select the file formats .igs, stp, stl, okay, any software. Sorry, any format you can save and you can open. Now I am just deleting this. Okay, wait. Okay, I am just creating one simple geometry. Go in this sketching and units I am setting as a millimeter. Okay, and I am drawing the one square of 50-50. Okay, you need to do same. Just create this geometry. Okay, give the length 15, give the height and length 50-50. Okay, create this geometry and fill with the surface. Go in the modeling, concept, surface from sketches, select the sketch 1, click on apply and click on generate button. Okay, do the same process. So everyone created the square box. Just reply
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay, now see,
Yes.
suppose in your case you have a two different sketches. Okay, now see, first I created this square box and just now I created with new sketch. Okay, by using new sketch I created one another rectangle. Okay, which is overlapping this. Okay, now I will create the surface in that geometry also. Okay, see, go in the concept, surface from sketches. I am selecting this sketch 2. Okay, click on apply and generate. Now see, can you see both are intersecting here? Hello, looks common. Can you see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if new user, okay, if two persons are working and new user will see, they might confuse this part of this bottom rectangle or top rectangle. Okay, so to differentiate the surfaces, okay, to differentiate the surface, there is one option. Okay, suppose I want to differentiate this surface from sketches 3. So what I need to do, just click here this new surface and there is one option operation. Okay, in details view one option is operation. In that add material option is there, and in that add material just select that, so you will get this arrow and select the add frozen. Okay, so you can differentiate the surfaces. Now just click on generate. Okay, now you can see the two surfaces, right, clearly. Everyone understood? Hello. What is the use of add frozen? Okay, by using this add frozen you can differentiate different sketches, okay, which we generated by using means we what we did, we filled with the surfaces. Understood? Everyone? Millie?
Teach one more time.
Yes, yes. Okay. So what I did, see, first I drawn the one rectangle, okay, 50 mm, okay, up to here you did,
Yeah.
right? Now
Yeah.
in same plane I am creating new sketch, okay. Now you can see sketch here, some option is available, sketch, new sketch, okay, sketch 3. Now select this sketch and go in the sketching, okay, and I am drawing one rectangle here. Understood?
Yeah.
Now I want to fill the surface in this, okay, in this new rectangle. So again I need to select the surface from sketches. Now this is I need to select the geometry. So this will be my geometry, right? New sketch. So I will select the new sketch, click on apply, and when you click on the generate, you are not able to differentiate these two surfaces, right? They looks common,
Yeah.
okay. Now if you want to differentiate the surfaces, there is one option called add frozen, okay. So you can click the new generated surface from sketch 4, you can see here, and in the operation section when you click, one arrow will be visible. So you need to click here and you can select this option, add frozen, okay. When you click on add frozen and click on the generate button, you will be able to see some different surface. Understood? They both are different, but from the visuals we can't identify, right? But now we can identify there are two surfaces. Understood? And both indicates the different sketch and different surfaces. Everyone understood? Millie?
Yeah.
Uthira, you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Rutwij?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's not about the two, okay. You can generate the third sketch also and you can differentiate the third, okay. Every time when you add frozen, you will get new color, okay, to differentiate. Now I am just deleting this, okay. Now see, you created the geometry in some other software, you imported in the ANSYS software. Now how you can scale up and scale down the model, okay, which is very important, right? Scaling up and scale down the model. So we can see here we created this surface, right? 50 mm. Now we need to come in the modeling section, go in the create, okay. We used this feature yesterday, right? Pattern. And below that one option is there, body transformation, okay. By using this body transformation we can do the multiple operations like move, translate, rotate, mirror or scale, okay. See, when you create the geometry in other software and you are importing here, okay. See, we uploaded, right, and we got in some different plane. Suppose I want in some other plane, I can use this translate option, rotate option, move option to apply that operation, okay. So first we will use this scale feature. Just click on this scale, okay. Now you will be able to see one option, scale 1 in tree outline, okay. Now they will ask for the body, at which body you want to apply the scale. So I will select this. Now how I can select this? By clicking on the body selection feature, okay. Body, this is whole body. So just click here and click on apply, okay. This body is selected and they are asking for the scaling factor, okay. Scaling factor is 1, means this is 50, okay, perfect 50. Now suppose I am writing here 2, okay. What is happening? Just see here. See, you can see the scale. What is written here? Can anyone tell? Hello?
40 millimeters, sir.
40
Actually,
millimeter, right? Now I am just writing 2 and click on the generate button. Okay, now can you see this is scaled up,
60 millimeter.
right? Not 60, not exactly 60, that is a scale. Okay, this is 50 and this is 50, 100. Okay, see, 2 times increased, you understood, from every side. Okay, and if you right click here and click on the edit selection, I just selected the body, and scaling operation, if you select body centroid, means from the center this equally scaled. Okay, see, click on the generate. Now can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right, now right click and click on edit selection. I selected the same body and just write 0.5. Okay, so you can see our geometry scale down. Okay, if you write less than 1, means our geometry will be scaled down. Understood? When you right click on edit selection, you can write any number. Okay, not about 1 2 3. If you write 10, your geometry size will increase 10 times. Okay, click on generate and you can see this is our original sketch. Okay, and this is scaled one. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now we'll just check what is this point. Okay, point, they are asking for the base point. Suppose I am selecting this point. Okay, so I think from this point this will be scaled up. Okay, okay, so you can see when you select one particular point, so from that point this geometry will scale up, right? So anyone have any doubt? You are going to perform after 5 minutes this. Anyone have any doubt? They can ask me. I can show again if you want.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Can you show again from the first start?
Yes, I can tell you again. Okay, so I'm just
Yes,
deleting
thank you.
this. Okay, and starting again. You can focus here. Now I'm just going in the create. Click on the body transformation, and there is one option, last option, scale. Okay, just click on the scale. They will ask for the body. Okay, so we need to select our this surface body. Okay, and click on the apply, and scaling type, see, we kept uniform. Uniform means from every side equally. Okay, non-uniform option is also available, but uniform means every side equally. Okay, if you write 2 here and click on the generate, means twice. Okay, from every side twicely this scaled up. Now suppose go in the edit selection. If you in the scaling option, if you select the body centroid, means from the center this geometry will scale up. Okay, now what we seen the uniform scaling. Okay, now if you want to do the non-uniform scaling, you can select non-uniform. Now see, you can see the 3 axes x, y, z. Okay, but we have a x and y plane only, so we'll play with that. So in x axis, if I write 2, okay, let's see what happens, and click on the generate. You understood what happens? In the x direction this expanded, right? You can see minus x and plus x, and right click here, click edit selection, write 2 in the y axis also. This will be expanded up and down. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see, in both the x and y I have written 2 2. That's why both the side expanded up and down and left and right. Anyone have any doubts regarding the scaling? They can ask. I can repeat. Hello?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay.
Yes, understood, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now we'll see the another feature. Now I'm just deleting this scale. Now again go in the create, go in the body transformation, and I'm just selecting the move feature. Okay, now see, while applying every operation, it will be better if we use this isometric view. Okay, so all axes will be visible, and they are asking for the body. So this is our body. Click on apply. They are asking for the source plane. So which is our source plane here? What is the meaning of source plane? Can anyone answer?
The original plane that part was imported with.
Right, means where we created our geometry. Okay, xy plane. Okay, we created in the xy plane, so our source plane will be xy. Just click on xy. Now destination plane. Okay, in which plane we want to move? Okay, suppose I want to move in the zx plane. Okay, just click on the zx plane and click on apply. You understood what happened? And you can see some effect here also. See, you can see this is our original. Okay, you can see the surface, and reflected result will be, you will be able to see the geometry in the zx plane. Okay, and same zx plane you can see here. Okay, this blue line and red line, can you see? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you click on the generate, understood?
Yes, sir.
Zx plane. Okay, now like that you can move the geometry in one plane to other plane. If I click on the edit selection, and in destination plane, I can change the plane also. Okay, like if I create the yz plane. Okay, so you can see I can move my geometry in the yz plane also. So like that you can move the geometry. Understood? So suppose I select the xy only, then what's happened? Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, now see, there is another options. Another option is available. I am just changing the destination plane. Okay, see, I want to move the geometry, but I want my original geometry as it is. Okay, everyone understood what I am asking? I want to move the geometry, and also I want this geometry remains as it is. Okay, to do that, okay, just click on generate. Now click on edit selection, and see, you will be able to see the option of preserve bodies. Okay, when you are editing, you will be able to see some option of preserve bodies. So you just need to click on the yes. That means your original geometry will remain as it is, and you will be able to see the moved geometry also. Understood, everyone?
Yes, that's mean we can find two surfaces actually.
Yes. Okay, so anyone have any doubt in this move feature? Rutvij,
No, sir.
Uthira,
No, sir, no doubt.
Mili,
No.
Farooq, are you performing today?
I'm still trying to install the software. I'm having trouble with my storage.
Okay, okay, we'll sort out that your issue. Okay,
Yes.
okay, this how we can use the move feature. Now another feature we'll use now. Go in the body transformation, and one option is that translate. Okay, in the same plane you want to move the geometry. Okay, now they will ask for the body. Just select our body, that rectangle. Now select the direction. Okay, direction you can select from the here. You can see the axis option. Okay, this axis, if I click here, there is one arrow is showing in this direction. Okay, I can reverse the direction by using this arrow. Okay, just click on this apply, and distance I am writing. See, if I write 30, means from the origin they are measuring. Okay, I need to write some like 70 mm. Okay, so you can see I can move my I can translate my geometry in same plan like this by using this translate feature. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
And same like preserve body option is also available in this, so you can create the multiple by using this translate feature. Okay. Okay, you can see it's not like you want to move in the same line up down. Okay, see, suppose you want to translate the geometry in this some inclination at some angle. Understood? You want the square at somewhere here, so you can enter the coordinates also, x y coordinates you can enter. Okay, when you click on coordinates, suppose in x I am writing 60 and in y I am writing 35. Can you understand? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click on the generate. You will be able to create some the translation in the inclined direction. So like this you can use the translate feature, and we'll see the rotate, how we can rotate our geometry. So we need to select our geometry, and again we will go in the isometric view. We need to select the axis. I just selected this axis. If you write 45 here, just click on enter button. Okay, click on the generate button. Okay, where is the geometry? Okay, wait, I am applying again. Rotate. Okay, apply bodies and axis. I am selecting this. Apply. Just write some different angle. I am writing 67 degrees. Okay, now you are able to see. Actually we are viewing from 45 degree, that's why we are not able to see previous time. Okay, now just click on the generate. So like that you can rotate the geometry in any angle. Okay, and like if I write 168, you will be able to see the geometry will be rotated in this angle, particular angle, whatever you write. If you click on edit selection, apply, and preserve body option is also available here, so you can click on the yes and click on the generate. So okay, we are not able to get. Okay, okay, selection. Okay, I am not able to use the preserve body option. You can try in yours. You will be able to use or not. But everyone understood this rotate feature? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now we'll move to the next, which is the last one, which will be very useful in future. Okay, mirror plane. Okay, sorry, mirror the geometry. Okay, now mirror means we get the replicate of this. Now they will ask for the body, and see, once you understand this plane system, okay, x y z, you will be you need to increase the imagination power. You will be able to use any feature easily. Okay, select the mirror plane. Mirror plane means about which plane you want to mirror the geometry. Okay, if I click on the zx plane, zx means this plane. Okay, you need to see this axis system. Okay, if I click zx plane, you will be able to see the replicate at the bottom side. Okay, just click on generate. Everyone got it? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, you can use this 4 feature, 4 or 5 feature what we seen: body transformation, move, translate, rotate, mirror, and scale. Everyone understood? So just apply every feature, okay, and send the photo in the group. Now very quickly you can do.
Sir, which you want, sir, I couldn't understand.
means I'm asking that you can create some geometry, okay, whatever you want, like rectangle. I made some square. You can make any geometry. You can use one scale feature and send the photo. Use the mirror feature, send the photo. Use the rotate feature, send the photo, and send it.
Oh,
Understood,
I okay, sir.
everyone? So see, you need to apply everything. Then only you can understand. Everyone can try now. And see, nobody's screen is visible to me. Everyone need to, okay. Uthira said his screen.
So actually, my internet connection is not so well. That's why I stopped on the basis.
Yes, if possible, just share. Rutvir,
I will send.
okay. Rutvir, you are performing, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood. You understood. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You can share the photo in the group once you complete.
Okay.
Okay. Tanvir shared mirror feature he used. So see, actually we taken some simple sample geometry. Okay. In your case, geometry might be different. Okay. In future, these features will be very useful to you. Okay. It's about the applications. Okay, where you are using.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay. If you are first time user, okay, to design model, you might feel some complexity, okay, but if you do some practice, small practice like this, like by using this move translate this layout, okay, this what we called user interface will be easy for you to understand, okay. So this practice is needed. In future your speed will be increased by uh, regarding this design modeler. Hello Farooq.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you spoke, I actually not understood. You facing some trouble?
Yeah, in the installation I have because my drive is a bit too full, so I'm trying to just empty out a bit of space, but I'm
Okay,
having
okay.
trouble on
Storage
finding
problem you are
enough
saying,
space.
right?
Yes, yes. So, as soon as I finish it, I will watch all the recordings and I will read everything.
Okay, okay.
But I'm listening right now. I'm paying attention to
So
the class.
so uh, see, installation is required. Okay, otherwise this is not useful, right? So
Yes, yes, of course, yes, yes. I will resolve it as soon as possible. Yes.
yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. So only Tanveer shared the images. Nobody else. Uthira, you can share. Okay, Uthira done with scale. You can send the photo in group, so others will be motivated. Motivate. Lily, you are facing any difficulty? Ruchira shared successfully. Millie also did. Great. Okay, so who created this circle? Rudvij, you did.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Okay. Okay, Tanvir used all the features. Okay.
Yes, sir. One is not I completed the skill. Actually, skill storage can be skill. Right. It's output seem like it's input actually in skill form.
You are asking something?
I I was say, yeah, I also sending skill.
Okay, okay, okay. You can.
Actually, it's outputs like inputs. That's why I also send it.
Okay, okay. Okay, so anyone have any doubt? Or you are able to do?
Have you trouble selecting the axis? Can you show once like how to select what plane I want?
For mirror, right?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, I'm showing. Okay, my screen is visible, right?
yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, where is design modeler? Okay, I think uh, okay, I need to close. I think okay, it is here. Hmm. Workbench. Okay, I'm just creating again one geometry and okay, Millie, are you able to see this screen, right?
Yes.
Go in the body transportation mirror. Okay, now okay, body we can select by clicking here. And about the plane, okay, how we can select the plane, right? So we can select the planes from here: xy, zx, yz. See, suppose we created the geometry in the xy plane, right? And
Yeah.
I want mirror in zx plane, so I will just click on zx plane and click on apply and click on generate. Understood?
Yeah. Thank you.
Same like yz plane, we can select. Okay, like this. Okay, can I continue, or can you can do this later, and you can send the photo in the group? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So very important feature, okay, which is known as the face split. Okay, face split. So this feature will be useful in the meshing. Okay, when you do the mesh, which is the next step, the Yaman will explain how you can how this face split will be useful to you. Okay, but I will show you how you can apply the operation of face split. Okay, and what is that? Okay, we'll understand. Okay, I'm just creating one new geometry. And Okay, I created the same, not same, but length I am keeping as 100 and height keeping as 50, and I want to draw like rectangle. Okay, and I will create the surface from sketches. Click on apply. Okay, now see, yesterday we have seen about the selection filters. Okay, like point, edge, face, and body selection. Okay, what is face selection? And so face selection is like, if I click here, I will be able to select this whole face. Okay, this is one face, behind this second face is there. Okay, this is one face. So face split. Okay, this is one face, and suppose without disturbing the geometry, I want the multiple faces in one face. Okay, this is one face, I want to divide into two. I want two different faces. Okay, so how I can do? Okay, so purpose of this will explain later, but we are understanding the process now. Okay, how we can split the multiple face. Okay, to do that, we need to create one sketch. Okay, the new sketch will not interfere the geometry, but that is for applying this face split operation. Okay, so if you want to apply the face split in some particular sketch, you need to create the sketch in the same plane. Okay, so I created the geometry and the xy plane. Okay, now if I want to apply the face split in this sketch, I need to create the new sketch in the xy plane. Okay, see, I'm just click on the xy plane and just click on this new sketch option. Okay, and select the new sketch. Here is the sketch 3, and go in the sketching. Okay, and I want a face split like here. You understood? Now suppose I drawn like this, so how many faces I will get? Can anyone tell me? Hello?
So what's the question, sir? Sorry, sir.
See, I drawn this geometry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how many faces I can get by sketching this sketch? Oh,
How many?
before
Yes.
before drawing this sketch, whole is how much face? One face, right?
One face, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Now I
One face.
drawn some geometry. I separated some
Then
part.
then it will be two, sir.
Two. Understood? Okay, we
Yes,
will
sir.
understood. Okay, what I want to say. Now I created this geometry, and now again go back to the modeling, and just go in the tools. Okay, you need to go in the tools. Just click here, and there is one option called face split. Okay, so you just need to click here, face split. When you click, you will be able to see in detail view. Okay, they will ask for the face and tool geometry. So in which face we want this face split? Okay, so we will select this is whole one face. Currently this is one face. Okay, so I will select here, I will click on the apply, and see here yellow color means we need to click here. They are asking for the tool geometry. Okay, so tool geometry means what we drawn. Okay, where we want to apply the face split. So we drawn this sketch 3, so we can't select directly sketch 3. Okay, we need to select by the selection filter. Okay, here are the selection filters are available. So what I drawn lines. Okay, to select the lines, we need to use this edge selection filter. Okay, so just click here and click this line. Okay, green yellow color is visible. Now there are two lines, right? So select the multiple lines. We need to use the control feature. Just click on the control button and select. So by pressing control, you can select multiple lines. Now click on the apply. Okay, and click on the generate. Okay, now you can see some green tick in the face plate. Now how we can check this is applied or not? By using this face selection. Okay, earlier this is whole green. Okay, now see, everyone understood what happens. What happened? Everyone understood what I did.
Yes, sir.
I will show again. Okay, whole process. But you understood how what I did. Earlier this was the one only one phase. I divided into two. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will explain the process. Okay, now I will divide in multiple phases. See, I can
but sir,
continue this
why we
process.
use it, sir? Actually, sir.
What?
Sir, why we use it? Actually, why we divide it?
Why we are dividing, right? You are asking that,
Yeah.
right? So this feature will be useful in the meshing. Okay, there are two types of mesh: structured and unstructured mesh. So to create the structured mesh, this feature is used. Okay, so Yaman will explain while explaining the meshing. Okay, Yaman sir is there, right? So and he's teaching the simulation, right? Simulation part.
Yes, sir.
So you reach up to what means you are performing nozzle simulation, right? I think, and
Yes, sir. Civil order, sir.
right, and you reached up to the mesh, I think. So he will cover the part where this is useful. Okay, because
Okay, sir.
actually I not taught the mesh now, right? That's why I'm unable to, means you will not understand what I'm speaking. That's why.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so just understand the means process. Will apply the where we need. Okay, in future I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
now in same sketch I'm going in the sketching and I'm drawing multiple lines. See, for using the face plate it is not necessary you are measuring the lines. Means you it is not like you need to give perfect dimensions. For face plate it is okay, you can give the lengthy dimensions. Okay, and you not need to give the short dimensions also. Okay, short dimensions means this can create problem. Okay, you need to cut the geometry full. Okay, suppose I want the split like this. Okay, and I want it like this. Okay, now come back to the modeling and see, in the face split we drawn something new, right? So click on the edit selection. So target face is same, and in the tool geometry we need to select the multiple lines which we drawn, new lines, right? Just press Ctrl and select all the lines. And click on the generate. Okay, so face splitting part is done. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this feature will be very useful. Okay, in future you will understand in future. Okay, while understanding, once you understand the meshing process, this feature you will found very useful. Okay, so everyone understood up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just apply the face split, and if you found any difficulty just ask me here. Okay, you can draw any random geometry and you can take the sketch and apply the face split and send the photo. And this is the last task. Okay, for today. Okay, Uthira, I think you understood clearly, and if
Yes,
not,
sir.
you can continue. It is okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Hello, Farooq.
Yes, sir.
You understood, right?
I understood. Yes, yes. I just need to apply it now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Mili. Are you Uthira, right? 15 minutes. Yes. Okay, you can continue. Okay. Rutvij also did.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, you need to use this feature one two times, so you will understand, because what happens next time when we do, sometimes we forget how we did. Okay, so you need to make some regular practice, so this will be useful. Hello, Millie. You need to not need to select the surface from sketch again. Just delete that sketch 3, surface from sketch 3 in the tree outline. Yes. Okay, delete. Yes, you need to go in the tool section, go in the tools, click on the face plate. Hmm. Yes, now they are asking for the target face. Okay, so target face is, you need to select the face, right? Yes,
Yeah.
click on 0, target face 0, yellow color. Yes, apply. Yes, okay, that is selected. Now tool geometry means we need to select the new sketch by edge selection, not from there, by using the edge selection filter. Yes, first you need to click on yellow color. Okay, that before selecting. Yes, now select. Perfect. Click on apply. Only one line. Yes. Hmm. Now just check by using face selection. No, not there. Face selection. Go in the face selection. Yes. Now select the green color again. That bottom. First select that up top. Okay. Yes. Now you can see, right.
Yeah.
Okay. You can send this photo in group. So we are keeping up to here for today. Okay. We learn
Okay. Yeah.
about the 5 new features, like rotate, translate, mirror, move. Okay, and the face
Yeah.
plate. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So today is Sunday, so we are not keeping too much long session. Okay. So everyone can leave.